Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen, I want to just mention this quarantine that we're all on. I know it's not easy being stuck in the house, but I'm going to give you some things that I've been doing to try and get through it. I like to eat. Of course, you guys all know that I like to eat. But I also like to cook. And some of you guys, I know you like to eat, and you don't know how to cook. Come on my channel. What I want you guys to do, learn how to cook. I know you can't get to the restaurants, so you know what I've been doing? Just one of my little quick tips. I'll look up online a restaurant that I really want to go to, look at the menu, and then try and figure out what it is I want, and then I'll cook what it is that I want off of that menu. Light a couple candles, sit down with my husband. Not only is it cheaper than going to the restaurant, but I didn't have to go anywhere. It was safe. I'm able to sit at home and enjoy myself. So I just wanted to come out here, give you guys, a few tips on what to do while you're in your house. Come up with some recipes. Look at some of my recipes, change them up, ask me for suggestions on things that you would like to see me cook that you have not cooked before, some things that just sound good to you, but you may not know what to do with it. Go online, go down in the comments, let me know what you want to cook, and if I know how to cook it, I will definitely cook it for you. If I don't, I'll try and figure it out. So that's what I do. I go online, I look at these menus, and I'll just pick something and cook it for us, and me and my husband have a good time eating. So you gotta make the best out of what's going on right now. And I know a lot of you don't know how to cook that well, so come online with me, look at some of my videos, look at how it's supposed to be prepared, and go from there. A lot of you do know how to cook, but you're looking for suggestions on things to cook. Come on my channel, check it out. Of course, you need to go out there and subscribe. You gotta subscribe, get on the channel and do some things with me. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, share it, like it, share it with your friends. Go out there and tell them about Lavonne's Kitchen. Tell them what we're doing in the kitchen. And in the meantime, you guys be safe. I'm praying for you, and I'll see you guys when it's all over. See you next time in the kitchen. Bye.